The New Holland TX68 harvester. In the modern agricultural world, machinery is the key to increasing productivity and production efficiency. Among these devices, the TX68 combine harvester has emerged as a symbol of progress and innovation. With its ability to combine power, efficiency, and flexibility, the TX68 is not just a tool, but also a reliable partner for farmers and manufacturers worldwide. Let's delve deeper into the TX68 combine harvester, a symbol of the fusion of technological power and flexibility. Robust design and top-notch quality, the TX68 combine harvester is built on a foundation of high-quality materials and advanced manufacturing processes. With a steel frame and flexible components reinforced with alloys, the TX68 proves to be extremely sturdy and reliable in all working conditions. Superior performance and maximum precision, equipped with a powerful engine and an efficient transmission system, the TX68 can operate continuously at high power levels. With a large displacement engine and maximum horsepower, it can handle tasks effortlessly and efficiently, ensuring accuracy and consistency throughout the harvesting process. Flexibility and versatility, the TX68 is not limited to just harvesting but can also perform various tasks such as cleaning, sorting, and packaging products. With its flexible adaptation to different types of crops and varying working conditions, this combine harvester is a reliable choice for all production needs. Smart technology integration, the TX68 is not just a simple machine but also a true artificial intelligence. With intelligent sensor systems and automatic control software, it can automate workflows, optimize performance, and minimize errors, saving time and increasing productivity. Detailed technical specifications: engine, 8-cylinder diesel engine, 12.0 L displacement, 450 horsepower, harvesting system, free-flowing air system, 6-meter cutting width, storage bin with a capacity of up to 9 tons, optimizing productivity and efficiency, steering and control system, electronic steering system, equipped with a smart touchscreen, optimizing operational processes. On every vast field, the New Holland TX68 combined harvester is not just a symbol of technological power and performance, but also a reliable companion for farmers and manufacturers. With its top-notch design, superior performance, and versatility, the TX68 is not just a machine, but also a commitment to success in agricultural production.